Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add a Greek letter epsilon to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code. So letter epsilon is the fifth letter in the Greek alphabet, and we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. Here we'll add in lowercase epsilon, where the LaTeX code is a backslash followed by lowercase epsilon. And to actually show this letter, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run this cell, we have the lowercase Greek letter epsilon here, center in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. And we can also look at adding in a capital epsilon, and LaTeX code here is backslash followed by capital E and then lowercase epsilon. And we'll add $2 symbols before, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run the cell, we have a capital epsilon here, centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add a lowercase and capital Greek letter epsilon to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.